Smash is great for sending large files, but it lacks support for contacts, messages, and can be slow for free users. In this video, we'll show you 7 better Smash alternatives, with faster speed, offline transfer, structured data migration, and stronger privacy. Number 1. Smash Alternative MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. As a professional product, MobiKin Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac can be used to transfer data between mobile phones, including Android to Android and Android to iOS. Why MobiKin Transfer for Mobile? One-click batch transfer works across Android and iOS, moves contacts, media, messages, apps, and more. Supports major brands Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, iPhone, iPad, etc. Number 2. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android. Termed MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android. Windows Mac focuses on backing up and restoring Android data to and from a PC. Number 3. TitanFile. TitanFile is a secure cloud-based platform used for encrypted file sharing and communication, often in professional environments. It works across Android, iOS, and desktop via browser, offering flexibility in access. Number 4. WeTransfer. WeTransfer lets users send large files quickly by generating a download link, usable across Android, iOS, and desktop platforms. It supports Android to PC or phone-to-phone transfers via the cloud. Number 5. Weavy. Weavy is a developer framework that adds collaboration tools like file sharing and chat to other apps. It is not a standalone file transfer tool and depends on the applications it's embedded into. Number 6. SwissTransfer. SwissTransfer is a privacy-focused cloud file sharing service that allows you to upload files and share them via link. You can send files from Android and download them on a PC or another phone. Number 7. Sharrr. Sharrr is a simple and lightweight tool for quick file sharing using browser-based links. It supports file transfers from Android to PC or other devices using shareable URLs.